Okay, guys, welcome back. This is the last video of the series on how to make a ping pong game, and this is what it looks like. If you follow with the last two tutorials, is what it should be now. And now let's click the green flag. There's gonna be a little bit of lag, that's for sure. Oh, okay. Okay, I am so sorry. We did a mistake. Now we have to go back to motion, turn turn to the right 180 degrees. So there you go. Now it should work. Obviously, this is not very smooth because my computer is so slow. Anyways, this is how the game is supposed to function like. Now I'll stop the game and explain how everything works. So our very first things we did was the when green flag clicked, go to X, go to Y. This just sets the position of the sprites and where they're supposed to be. So this 0, 0 is just the middle of the screen. Paddle, the paddle sprite, this just has it in the middle of the screen, the middle bottom of the screen. I guess you could call it the south, just the south of the screen. And this is way more south, and it's really big. This line's so big. So that's it. Let me go back to ball. Whew, okay. Now the next thing we did was when green flag clicked, set score to 0. So we made this variable. So like the name suggests, the variables vary or change. So you can change variables. These are just to give you data. Our score gives us what data? It gives us the score we're having in the game. We have in the game. This score right now, it's 4. And because I scored 4 points in the game. And when we set the score to 0, we essentially reset the score so that when we start up the game, we it doesn't still show 4. For example, if I get 4 points and I click the green flag, this will prevent it from showing 4 again, and it will show 0 because we got 0 for one time before we lost or stopped the game. Now let's go to the paddle. What we did was when green flag clicked, set X to mouse X. This was a little bit harder to explain. So the forever block always does anything for forever as long as the project's running, which means the green flag is on. You click the green flag and the game's actually playing. That's what the forever block does. But what does the set X to mouse X button do? Well, the set X is the X or the horizontal of the mouse X, aka the left or right. So when we set it to mouse X, that means we always set the X of the paddle, aka the left or the right,